In today's video, I'm going to teach you model lines. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access the tool, choose the right line style, place lines confidently in plan, elevation, or 3D, and understand how those lines behave across your project. Start by heading to the Architecture tab and selecting Model Line. This activates the sketching environment, so your cursor is ready to place geometry. You'll notice familiar drawing options appear, and snapping becomes available to help you align to edges, points, and axes. Take a moment to glance at the status bar and the options at the top of your screen. They'll give you feedback about what you're about to place. Before you click in the view, choose a line style from the type selector. Common options are solid, hidden, and centerline. Solid is great for visible edges and reference geometry you want to read clearly. Hidden displays as a dashed line, which is ideal for items that are obscured or behind other geometry. Centerline uses a chain and dash pattern to indicate symmetry or axes. The style governs line weight, color, and pattern, so picking the right one up front helps your drawings read correctly and keeps your documentation consistent. Now you're ready to draw. You can place model lines directly in a floor plan, in an elevation or section, or in a 3D view. Click to start, move your cursor to set direction, and click again to finish. Use snaps to lock to midpoints, endpoints, and intersections, and keep an eye on temporary dimensions and angle readouts for accuracy. If you make a mistake, undo is your friend, and pressing escape will exit a particular sketch command without leaving the tool entirely. When working in 3D, remember that model lines live on a work plane or a face. As you hover, you'll see which plane is active and the line will be placed there. This makes it easy to sketch along a wall face or a roof slope just as naturally as you would in plan on a level. If a line doesn't appear where you expect, it's often because a different plane was active at the time of placement. A key concept is that model lines exist in true 3D space and appear in multiple views. That means a line drawn in a plan will also be visible in related elevations and in 3D, provided the view's scale and visibility settings allow it. This is different from detail lines, which are view specific. Use model lines when you want persistent, model-aware references, guides, or non-physical geometry that needs to coordinate across views. That's it. Access the tool, pick the right style, draw in any view, and let the 3D nature of model lines work for you.